I don't feel like loving you today. So don't you even try to change my mind. The best thing you can do right now is just go away. 'Cause I don't feel like loving you today. I don't wanna talk about last night. I'm angry and I haven't had much sleep. I'm so tired and bloodshot, there ain't no telling what I'd say. 'Cause I don't feel like loving you today. But you know I will anyway. Even though we make it hard sometimes, I'll wind up forgiving you and probably loving you for the rest of my life.